Today we're in the 3D printing studio, and today we're talking about the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. We're asking the question, is the filament switcher on the A1 Mini worth it? This is known as the AMS Lite, or some people refer to it as the filament switcher. Today, I'm gonna give you 3 huge reasons why you want the AMS Lite, because it's an absolute game changer when it comes to 3D printing. And by the way, my name's Chris, and this is my channel, 3D Print Dude. If you're into 3D printing, chances are we're gonna get along quite well. So consider subscribing. So the number one reason you want the AMS Lite and multicolor printing is to be able to just print in multicolor. This is just one example of the millions of cool things you could be 3D printing in multicolor. If you haven't seen this artwork, guys, you can be printing. It's absolutely insane and it's blowing up right now. Here's a couple of bookmarks that we also 3D printed. Look at this, like it's texturized 3D printing. And yes, I know the comments will say, well, this is 2D. Like, why do I care about 2D printing? What I'm getting at though here is how amazing multicolor printing is. It will completely change the entire game for you. And I can already hear the comments coming in. Multicolor is so wasteful. There's so much to lose. And yes, multicolor printing is wasteful, but the multicolor stuff is also 10 times cooler. And once you start doing a little bit of it, I'm super confident you'll understand. So the second reason you need this AMS Lite or the filament changer is because of how easy it is to change filament roll. All I have to do is push this button and start pulling this out, take it off the spool holder, then I just find the end of this filament here, make sure it's fed correctly, put the new spool on, and then start feeding the filament into the hole, and it automatically feeds itself. A lot of people don't know this. And it will continue to feed through the PTFE tube all the way to the printer head up there. So within a couple seconds, I just changed the filament. So if you find yourself somewhat lazy when it comes to changing the filament changer is a lifesaver. And if you don't have the AMS Lite here, all you'd have to do here is go into the settings and then unload the filament, wait for it to heat up, pull it out, then go back in there and then purge the new one, put the spool holder on there and make sure it's purged. It's not a huge difference, but the time, it's just so much easier with the filament changer. Looking back on the decision, I will never not get the AMS version for a Bambu Lab printer. I made the mistake with the P1S and I learned a valuable lesson. So yes, the filament changer is extremely worth it. So to recap this, the 3 reasons you need the filament changer for the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is to print cool multicolor 3D print stuff. There's so much cool multicolor printing stuff to print. The second reason, it's extremely easier to change filament. And then the third reason, that way you don't have to manually change the filament on the machine itself. It just takes a lot of time and it's extremely annoying. So if you're on the fence with the AMS Lite or the filament changer, guys, you need to pull the trigger on it and just trust me. Hit me up in the comments if you guys have any questions. I have pretty much every single Bambu Lab printer there is. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.